Hi Pisces! This is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces para sa araw na ito. Okay, so alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari po for Pisces sa araw na ito gamit ang ating The Mystic Red Rose Oracle cards. Okay? So, reminder lang po na ito ay general reading po. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo. Pwede pong hindi. Okay? And this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan, taon mo po na panood. Basta tugma, take lang. Pag hindi, wag ipilit. Okay? So, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Partying. Time with friends, having fun, happily single, living in the moment. Oh, happy, party, single, living in the moment. Kumbaga, you're just having fun, Pisces. Okay, so ano pa po? Ano pa po yung mga posibleng mangyari po for Pisces? Dragonfly, light-hearted, adapt, finding out and change, things come to light and heal. Okay, so there's a parang, it's either adapting to new surroundings, Pisces, or new phase in your life. Like, you are happy, you are changing, okay, in all aspects, okay, finding out and change, things coming to light and heal. Oh, that's so nice. So, ano pa po? You're having fun, Pisces. You're just, you know, enjoying life. Okay? That's so nice. So, ano pa po yung mga posibleng mangyari po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Ay, hala, ang dami. Okay, pero meron tayo ditong seduction, attraction, teasing, hooking up and date, third party, temptation. Okay, so, feeling ko there's something na so attractive. Okay, you are being attractive to other gender, okay, or same gender. Wala po tayong specific gender dito, kahit kanino mag-resonate, but you are so attractive. You know how to adapt. You are changed. You've changed, Pisces. Okay, so not today. Boundaries and hurt. Avoiding conversation, not dealing, still upset. So, pwedeng meron kang pinagdaanan. Pwedeng past relationship mo ito, Pisces, or kung ano man itong you deal from the past na inadapt mo or something like you change from that situation, okay? And you're having fun, you're doing so great in life. You have changed, Pisces, okay? Merong nagbago sa'yo, merong, it's either how you deal with people, how to react, how to make a decision, okay? Meron kang parang pagbabago, kumbaga, life phases in life, okay? So, eto yun. And you are being so attractive, confident to yourself, but at the same time, parang ito yung pinagdaanan mo dati, Pisces, na kumbaga parang nakapagbago sa'yo. Okay? And actually, maganda yun, ano? Kung ano yung mga life experiences na napagdaanan natin, kailangan natin meron tayong matutunan na lesson and change yourself to a better version of yourself, Pisces. Okay? So, walang mali sa pagbabago po. Okay? So, not today, boundaries and hurt, avoiding conversation, not dealing, still upset. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the chaser. Oh, it's either ikaw or you're dealing with someone na chasing you or you are chasing other people, Pisces. Pero feel ko hindi mo na to ginagawa. Okay? Kumbaga, tinigil mo na to. Okay? Fear of abandonment, chasing codependencies. So, yan, nasaktan ka for in a situation na ikaw na lang palaging naghahabol. So, there is a nag-click sa isip mo na parang that's enough. Ano, hindi ako yun. So, hindi ko deserve yun. So, there's something na you gain your confidence, Pisces, but there is something na nagbago and that's okay. Maganda po yun na merong pagbabago, better version of yourself, Pisces, and you are doing so well. You are enjoying life, okay? Maganda, maayos. May natutunan, kumbaga. Okay, so gamitin natin itong the tarot card po. Alamin natin kung ano pang mga information, another advice ng ating tarot card for Pisces para sa araw na ito. Ano pa po? Yung message po for Pisces. Mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces. Ace of Cups. Wow. Ace of Love. Ace of Emotion. Ito yung deserve mo, Pisces, ano? But again, always ko pong sinasabi na unahin yung sarili, Pisces. Okay? Para dumating din yung tao, dumating din yung panahon na ibibigay yung klaseng pagmamahal, treatment na ibinibigay mo sa ibang tao, Pisces. And this is it. Ace of Cups. Nag-uumapaw. Siksik-liglig at nag-uumapaw, Pisces. Okay? So, wow. Ace of Cups. That's kind of love na you deserve, Pisces. And kailangan mo yon ibigay muna. Una at una sa sarili mo before ka magbigay sa ibang tao. Okay? Queen of Pentacles. Seduction. Queen of Pentacles. And Ace of Wands. Wow, you're mending yourself, Pisces. You're taking care of yourself, your finances, and tingnan nyo, Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, Ace of Opportunity, Ace of Offer, Ace of Passionate, Ace of Attraction, ito, and Ace of Cups, Ace of Love, Ace of Promotion, okay, Ace of kung ano man yung pagmamahal, in the middle of meron tayo ditong Queen of Pentacles. This is you, Pisces. Okay? Kahit Queen to yung nandito, pwede po to sa lalaki or sa LGBT po. Okay? Kahit kanino. Basta you are taking care of yourself. Kumbaga, hindi ka na nito, hindi ka na ito, Pisces. Ano? You know your worth. Inaayos mo na yung sarili mo. Unti-unti mo nang inaayos. Okay? And tumatanggap ka na rin. You're enjoying life, Pisces. Okay, sobrang ganda actually. Nag-uumapaw yung mga nandito, Pisces, ano? Ace of Wands and Ace of Cups, napagitnaan siya ng, napagitnaan nito, etong Queen of Pentacles natin dito, Pisces. Wow, so, you're busy doing the best version of yourself, Pisces, yung mga hobbies mo, mga talents mo na hindi mo na masyadong ginagawa, parang binabalik mo, Pisces, or meron kang ini-explore ng mga panibagong hobbies, pwede pong ganun, parang ini-enjoy mo lang yung buhay, Pisces, ini-enjoy mo yung, pwedeng ito, okay, pagiging single or anything, tapos, hindi mapapagkailang, you are doing so better, okay, you are doing so great, you are so attractive to other people, okay, nagbago ka, you're not dealing anymore this kind of energy na the chaser energy, Pisces, inaayos mo yung sarili mo, and ito na, Ace of Love, Ace of Attraction, Ace of Opportunity, okay, so, ang ganda, bilib ako sa sarili natin ngayon dito, Pisces, okay, so, ano pa po, may message pa po ba kayo for Pisces sa araw na ito? May mga posible pa po bang mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito? Ano pa yung mga posibleng mangyari po? Ten of Swords. Yan. Nasaktan ka dati, Pisces. Pwedeng meron kang personality na parang you're overthinking a lot of things kasi Ten of Swords, or pwedeng there is someone na betrayal. Okay, na kumbaga nasaktan ka because of that, okay? Sobra ka nasaktan, and pwedeng itong sitwasyon na ito yung nakapagbago sa'yo, okay? And again, merong nag-click realization, kumbaga, na ba't ko ba ginagawa to? Okay, ba't ako naghahabol ng ganito? Okay, so instead na magpatuloy sa ganitong energy, Pisces, hininto mo siya, although nasasaktan ka, hindi mawala yun, okay? Pero again, you've changed. Okay, you know your worth, Pisces. Bottom of the deck is King of Swords. Darating yung araw na darating din yung tao na sigurado sa'yo, Pisces, which is King of Swords, okay? Pwede din siya si Queen of Pentacles na kaya niyang ayusin, kaya kanyang tulungan na ayusin yung buhay, Pisces. Kaya kanyang tulungan, kaya kanyang, alam mo yun, gabayan, samahan sa lahat, Pisces. Hindi yung ikaw yung naghahabol dito na part, no? So, you don't deserve this kind of treatment and you deserve someone na nandyan para sa'yo. Okay? So, kung ano man yung nangyari na 10 of Swords na nandito, may mga ano doon na kailangan mong i-take as a lesson. Okay? Na, alam mo yun, maging rason kung bakit maaayos or unti-unti mong aayusin yung sarili, yung buhay mo, Pisces. Okay? And enjoy, always enjoy the life, Pisces. Okay? Maraming mga bagay, maraming mga blessing na naghihintay sa'yo. Okay? May mga magaganda pang pintuan na magbubukas sa'yo, Pisces. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po yung mga konektado for Pisces sa araw na ito. May nag-flip. Letter U. Ano pa po? Letter R, U, R, Q, J. Pwede yan yung mga initials, Pisces, or initials mo. May message pa po. Ayun. Meron tayo ditong 8. Meron number 8. Pwedeng birthday mo yan, or something like month, okay? Ano ba yung month ng 8? June, July, August. Pwede merong August, Pisces. Tea, older, and coffee. Okay, so, pwede yan yung mga initials, pwede ding hindi, mga random words na posibleng konektado. Take lang kung saan mag-resonate. Okay, so yun po ang ating reading, Pisces, para sa araw na ito na way nag-resonate po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay, so thank you, Pisces, and God bless!